The your app has strong login, a secure API. But what if someone can read everything in between? That's insecure communication. Whenever your app talks to a server, data travels through networks you don't control. Public Wi-Fi, routers, ISP. Attackers can sit in the middle and watch or modify it. It means any weakness in this chain, app, network, server, if one part is weak, your data is exposed. Imagine this request: post slash login username, Alice password 123456. If sent over HTTP, anyone on the network can read it. Passwords, tokens, everything. Keep only three simple ones. One, sniffing, passive. They just watch traffic and steal data. Two, man in the middle. They sit between app and server. Read plus modify requests. 3. Session hijacking. They steal your token and act as you. Biggest developer mistakes: using HTTP instead of HTTPS, accepting any certificate, trust all, skipping hostname verification, allowing old TLS versions. These make encryption useless. Yes, so say always use HTTPS, no exceptions, validate certificates properly, never accept invalid certs. Use modern TLS 1.2 or 1.3 only, never trust network. Assume attacker is always watching. High security apps use certificate pinning. App trusts only your server, not everyone. Your app may be secure, but if communication isn't, everything in transit is at risk.